Today we are in the heart of Puerto Banús. There is no other places that represent as much Costa del Sol as this little marina, very exclusive marina created in the 70s. So the property we're going to present you today is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom property with a magnificent terrace that has a wonderful view of the coast of Puerto Banús and the Concha, the mountain that is behind. So this urbanization, you have 24-hour security, concierge, reception, you have a big swimming pool for you to enjoy and relax, you have a paddle course, you have also a private gym if you need. I mean, what else do you need to enjoy Puerto Banús? So, come with us and let us introduce you to this lovely property we have here. So, what did you think about this lovely property we have here in Urbanización Marina Banús? What did you think about this incredible view that we have from this terrace? You imagine waking up every day and enjoying the coast and enjoying this lovely mountain that is La Concha? So, are you ready to live the full Puerto Banús experience? Call us, and I'm sure we'll have a little spot for you for your next holiday. So, come here, we are waiting for you on Costa del Sol. See you!